time offer and save big now. Call 1-877-4FIOS-TV. That's 1-877-4FIOS-TV. This is...
What?
He's not violent. Sorry for myself. She's alive and well.
No, I don't believe it. I want to see her.
He doesn't believe it.
I know what we did was wrong, right? We didn't know what else to do. I mean, what were you there for? You weren't there for her.
Shelter Harbor was the only place for her.
She was eating violent. There was a teacher there that turned out she was abused.
I didn't know that.
Send him.
You signed the papers, Lyle, and you gave her permission. All necessary measures. Remember that? Huh? And she tried to tell you, but you didn't care.
You're trying to make this all my fault. You are the one who killed her.
Can you stop it? Stacy is alive. She chose to disappear because you wouldn't help her. That's why you lost your granddaughter, all right? Nothing but each other.
I never wanted to hurt her. Please. You have to bring me to her. I want to see her.
I mean, it's very